In this video, I want to show you how to hide multiple layers in QGIS at once. If you have multiple layers just like this, here I have about 12 layers. If I want to hide all of them, instead of checking them one by one like this, hiding them one by one like this, that will take me sometimes to uncheck them all. So there is a way you can uncheck or hide them at once, and that is what I want to show you. So when you have multiple layers and you want to uncheck or hide them all at once, this is how to do it. Come to this icon called Manage Layer Visibility. If you click on the drop down, here you can see Show All Layers. That is if you want to show all the layers. And you can also show selected layers or hide selected layers. If you want to hide all the layers at once, come to this second option, which is Hide All Layers. If you click on it, you can see that all the layers has been hidden or has been unchecked. So if you want to enable all, just come back to Manage Layer Visibility. Click on it and click on Show All Layers. You can see that all my layers are showing. And another thing you can do here is that you can select like 3 of the layers and come to Manage Layer Visibilities. If you want to hide the selected layers, click on Hide Selected Layers. When you click on it, all the layers you selected will be hidden. But if you want to show all the layers, click on it and click Show All Layers. And if you want to hide all the layers at once, click on this icon and click on Hide All Layers, and all the layers will be hidden. So this is how to hide or uncheck all layers at once in QGIS. Thank you for watching.